Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a 2026 911 Carrera, freshly delivered in jet black metallic with black interior. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here she is, brand new 2026 911 Carrera in jet black metallic with a black interior. This one has a 20 and 21 inch wheels, painted black with the machined faces. I like the standard Carrera, guys. I really do think in the 911 range that less is more. Rear wheel drive, 388 horsepower, 3-liter turbocharged flat 6. That is plenty of performance. I know you can get more if you want it. Hey, we can spend more of your money if you like, but I really think that these sort of, I hate to use the word entry level when we're talking about a $155,000 car, but there's a whole lot of different ways you can spec your 911, and I don't know, I just think a little bit less is more in this case. Jet black metallic paint, this is beautiful. I see flakes of blue, and I don't know if that's sort of a metallic gray or gold that I see in that paint, but it is lovely. Although you'll definitely want to consider a ceramic coating application to keep this black paint looking cleaner longer, because as we know, if you've ever owned a black car before, and I've had several, they are tricky to keep looking clean. So ceramic coating would go a long way on this one. Anyway, we talked about the wheels. What else should we talk about? It has the tilting and sliding sunroof. This is not glass, it is metal, so it's painted body color. If it was glass, it would just look black and kind of get lost on the car. Anyway, I kind of like this because it doesn't allow as much heat to come in, particularly here where it gets quite hot in the summertime. It's actually not too sweltering today for a change. This has the overhead camera, so there's 4 cameras on the vehicle that link together to give you a bird's eye view when you're parking. It also has wraparound ultrasonic parking sensors, front and rear, so that when you're parking, you'll get an audible alert as you're getting close to obstacles. This has the forward-facing radar. You see that little black orb there in the center grille? That is for the adaptive cruise control, so you can pace the traffic in front of you. Nice to have on the highway for sure. Let's have a look at the interior. So we've got partial leather on the interior, on the upper door panels here with some nice black stitching. Leather on the armrests. We do have the upgraded stereo from Bose. And these are the 14-way adjustable sport seats here in black with black stitching. 14-way meaning you get height, rake, lumbar, and a powered thigh extension. These seats are heated. The leather is perforated, but these seats are not English, Corey. Ventilated. They are not ventilated, but they are heated. And we do have also a heated GT Sport steering wheel here. We're going to start the car up with the push-button ignition on the left. Traditional side for a Porsche. Got the full digital gauge cluster screen. Oh, we need to put some gas in this one. Let's turn that off so you can actually hear me. So fully user configurable gauge cluster screen. Really nice. We can do a whole bunch of stuff with it. Got GPS, we've got the driver information screen here to show you what's going on with the car and cars around you. You've got the traditional 3 and 5 gauge layouts and some more digital options there. So lots and lots and lots of stuff you can do with it. Leather on the dashboard here with the black stitch. This one is outfitted with the Sport Chrono package. I'd say that's kind of, for me anyway, a bare minimum. I would want to have that clock on the dash as well as the lap timer. And then you get your performance, sport response button rather, excuse me. So if you press that, you get a little bit of extra oomph for overtaking up to 20 seconds. And with your drive mode selector, you can go through and go between normal, sport, sport plus, and wet modes. Got our infotainment screen here, super easy to get along with. I say this on all my videos, but I really love Porsche's infotainment. It is one of the simplest ones that I have interacted with, and that is such a compliment. There's so many overcomplicated systems that I've dealt with in other car makers, other German car makers in particular. I won't name them, but love Porsche's system here. So you've got a couple of programmable keys here for functions that you use more frequently, and then you've got adjustments for your shocks, and then you can turn on and off your stability control if you wanted to do some more spirited driving, we'll say. Then you've got your controls here for your roof, controls for your heated seat, electronic parking brake. Do have a removable cup holder here. There's another insert that goes in there if you don't want drinks in your car. And then our center console here has a cooled wireless charging pad. That's pretty neat. And then 2 USB-C charge ports. Rear seats are currently folded because the car has, they just started cleaning it, so they're letting it dry a little bit. Got the floor mats in here getting cleaned up and all that good stuff. But anyway, that is a summary of this 911's black interior. Quite lovely. Down here, cruise control stock with the distance control. All right, I'm gonna take one more quick lap around the car because it is so lovely in this shade of black. Give you a chance to see the daytime running lamps here. It's a really neat pattern. I love the four points on that daytime running light signature. Oh, and I just noticed too, it has the deletion of the model there, so it just says Porsche with no 911, no Carrera on the back. Keeping it clean, keeping it classy. Very nice. Okay, once more, that's our 2026 911 Carrera in jet black metallic. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call. My direct phone line is area code 719-219-5015. And if you do me a favor, please like the video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.